start to open this one right here. Hold up. So we are going to start to open up the Downshifter 11. It's on sale on Lazada, Shopping Mall, Nike Shopping Mall. So here we go. There you go. Ooh, this is nice. I like the color. Yeah, I like the design. I guess the one that I had given my dad last 2 years ago or last year was the Downshifter 10, and I get the 11. This is for my jogging or walking perhaps. Well, I'm not sure what kind of cushioning does it have, but it's a different kind of, I think this is a rubber. I'm just gonna search this on the internet, what kind of materials they were using for this Downshifter 11. As you can see, the tongue here, it says the Downshifter 11. Downshifter. Let's double check. Yep, it's a 7.5. It's a true to size. It's made in, yeah, it is made in Vietnam. See, this is nice. I like the color. It's so vibrant orange. This is a very good grip on oh, this is recyclable materials. Good, it's nice. The swoosh is quite big though. As you can see, the swoosh, Nike swoosh. See, like that, so much. Let me try that one more time here. There you go. Nike Downshifter 11.